Hello viewers, Marjan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can make a YouTube cover with perfect size and alignment. So let's start. At first, download the template picture from the link in the description box. If you open the picture, you will find three portions. First one is viewable on all devices, second one is viewable on desktop and TV, and last one is only viewable on TV. So we have to keep our main content in the middle part, which is viewable on all devices. Now install and open PixelLab. Click on Use Image from Gallery from the three-dot menu and select the image that you downloaded from the description box. Now write anything as you wish, but you must keep in mind that you have to keep the main content on the middle portion. Otherwise, this content will not be viewable from mobile and tab. Now follow the video. Once the middle portion is ready, click on the layer button and set a color. It will remove the background. Now work on the other portions. Finally, click on Share button. From the dimension box, click on Custom. Set the width to 2560 and height to 1440. Now we are done. Here's the channel cover that we made. It looks like this after I set it as my channel banner. Hope you liked this video. If you did so, then please respond and support by subscribing my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.